Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a simple present tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 to 6, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. She usually dash her homework in the evening. The correct option is does. She usually does her homework in the evening. Question 2. They dash to school by bus every day. The correct option is go. They go to school by bus every day. Question 3. Where dash you live? The correct option is do. Where do you live? Question 4. He dash not like spicy food. The correct option is does. He does not like spicy food. Question 5. What time dash the train leave? The correct option is does. What time does the train leave? Question 6. I dash happy with my new shoes. The correct option is am. I am happy with my new shoes. Question 7. She dash a cat and 2 dogs. The correct option is has. She has a cat and 2 dogs. Question 8. We dash a car but we use the bus. The correct option is have. We have a car but we use the bus. Question 9. Why dash your brother always shout? The correct option is does. Why does your brother always shout? Question 10. Dash there any milk in the fridge? The correct option is is. Is there any milk in the fridge? Question 11. My friends dash not like this movie. The correct option is do. My friends do not like this movie. Question 12. Who dash your English teacher? The correct option is is. Who is your English teacher? Question 13. How many books dash you have? The correct option is do. How many books do you have? Question 14. We dash at home on weekends. The correct option is is. He is at home on weekends. Question 15. Where dash usually go on holidays? The correct option is does. Where does she usually go on holidays? Question 16. I dash not like cold weather. The correct option is do. I do not like cold weather. Question 17. What dash they eat for breakfast? The correct option is do. What do they eat for breakfast? Question 18. Dash he have any brothers or sisters? The correct option is does. Does he have any brothers or sisters? Question 19. The children dash very happy today. The correct option is are. The children are very happy today. Question 20. Why dash you not play football on Sundays? The correct option is do. Why do you not play football on Sundays? Question 21. This shop dash not open on Mondays. The correct option is does. This shop does not open on Mondays. Question 22. How often does she visit her grandparents? The correct option is does. How often does she visit her grandparents? Question 23. Dash you a student here? The correct option is are. Are you a student here? Question 24. He dash many friends in his class. The correct option is has. He has many friends in his class. Question 25. What dash we do after school? The correct option is do. What do we do after school? That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.